Hello everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this soft brown smoky eye look in only 5 minutes. First of all, I always start with an eye primer to help the eyeshadow show up better and last longer. I'm using the Milani eye primer to put it on over my lid and gently blend it out with my finger. Then I set it with the Mercier setting powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palette in Truffles. This palette is perfect for smoky eyes. It has 2 shades of brown and a black one. Next, I will use this Eco Tools brush to apply the eyeshadow. This is a dual brush with a blending brush on one side and a shading brush on the other side. I'm gonna need both for this look, so it's a very convenient brush. First, I'm using the fluffy blending side to get some light brown shadow. Tap off the excess and apply it on my crease with wiping motion. The crease is the natural fall of the skin above your eyelid where your eye socket meets your brow bone. As you can see, the eyeshadow is very easy to blend and I keep blending and building up the color. Then I use the shading brush on the other side to pick up the darker brown shade. Tap off the excess and dab it on the back of my hand to prevent fallout. Then I put it on my eyelid. I'm using the shading brush instead of the blending brush because it will pack more product onto the lid and it helps to reduce time to build up the intensity. If you're a beginner and don't know which palette to buy, just start with these bite-size palettes from e.l.f. They are worth checking out. The quality is pretty good and the price won't break your bank. After that, I use a dark brown eye pencil from NYX to draw a thick line right above the lash line. You can use a black eye pencil too. It will create a more dramatic look. I prefer the eye pencil because it gives more intense color and saves time on blending. As I want to create the ombre effect using the lighter shade to the darker shade. You can also use the black shadow from the palette to do this step, but it will take more time to build up the intensity. Then I use the shading brush with more product on to blend out any harsh edges and create a seamless transition between the shades. I keep building up the intensity until I'm happy with the result. Then I clean the blending brush to remove any eyeshadow left on the brush and blend everything one more time to get a diffuse look. Now moving to the lower lash area, I just apply the same process using the lightest to the darkest shade. It's better to use a small pencil brush that fits this area to apply, but you can squeeze the blending brush like I do to make it thinner and apply it if you don't have a pencil brush or don't want to use too many brushes. Then I blend out and connect it to the eyeshadow on my upper lid. After that, for the darker brown, I need a more precise application, so I use an angle brush from the Real technique to apply it really close to the lash line and gently blend out. Now I go back with the eye pencil and highlight my upper and lower waterline. This step will create more depth for the eye look. If you cannot see your waterline, use a brush handle or a Q-tip to lift the lid up. It can also help to see the gaps between the lashes that I missed, so I just fill in those gaps too. When I'm done, I blend everything together one more time. The key to a beautiful eye look is blending, so keep blending until you are satisfied. After that, I finished up by curling my lashes and put on the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline. You can stop here if you want, but I love to use falsies with this eye look. For my hooded eyes, I always go for a pair of lashes that are wispy and not too thick, so they won't look heavy and I can still see the eye makeup. And lastly, don't forget to pair it with a nude lipstick to balance out the whole makeup look. This is the L'Oreal Shine Lipstick in shade 900 Glossy Fawn. And here's the finished look. It's so quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a like if you do. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.